So, if you are a person who wants to become great at office, if you are the one who wants to be liked by all the people, if you are the one who wants to take your leadership to the next level, then this video is for you. Before we move on, I'll tell you a very small story about a person named as Tin Sin. Tinsin was very hardworking, dedicated, and was very sincere at his work. He was getting results, the seniors loved him, and he was very dedicated at work. One day he thought, although I am all successful, but I lack leadership qualities. Then he worked out what were the reasons or how could I transform myself so that people or the leadership of me is shown, is coming out. So what it did. So if you are the one like tension, if you want to transform yourself, develop the leadership qualities, then today I'm going to share deepest secrets of mine, the 7 key points which is going to transform your life and take your leadership to the next level. So what are they? Before we move on, if you want to be respected, if you want to take your leadership to the next level, you have to have respect from your peers, from your juniors, from your teammates. If your teammates, your juniors, your peers do not respect you, my dear friend, do anything and everything, you cannot take your leadership to the next level. So here, what should you do now so that you enable them to respect you? In order to get that respect, that feel, you have to have these 7 points noted so that you do and you grow. So guys, as I always tell you, whenever you are in my session, the 2 very things are very important. Number 1, no distractions. Put your mobile in flight mode, just watch this video. No distractions at all. Secondly, keep a pen and notebook. Because any points I say, anything in mind doesn't work. Anything on paper comes out to be true. Right? So I hope everybody is getting this. If you haven't got till now, run. Pause this video, run, get the copy and then come back and start this video. So first of all, when you talk about your leadership qualities, the number 1 point that you should take care is approachability. Now what is this approachability? एक बार अपने ऑफिस में देखिए, क्या लोग आपसे बात करने में डर रहे हैं? Do the people tends to fear to talk to you? Are they not opening up when they discuss with you? Do they feel nervous to express anything? And if my dear friend, if this is yes, then change it. Make the person very comfortable so that they tend to come down, sit with you, discuss with you and share things with you. Right? Then only you become a great leader. Second point, positive vibrations and energy. When you have this positive vibrations and energy, now when are you going to have this? Now, see, wherever you go, always have a positive mindset. Now see, saying and implementing, these are 2 different factors. Then positive mindset means always be enthusiastic, be optimistic. Whenever you are in a team, have positive attitude for everybody. Like आप सुने होंगे ना, बहुत जन को देखे होंगे, and when a person enters the hall, everybody says, अरे महफिल की जान आ गया. So how does the person becomes? By staying alone, not talking to anybody, not mixing up, not praising. Does he becomes one of them? No. He becomes the one who does the opposite of it. Appreciate, talk to people, have that aura, have that energy. Your energy will define how people are going to admire you or respect you. Third point, we have problem solving. Have you ever thought of this? When you are in a team, when you are with your peers, when you are with your juniors, have you ever thought of solving their problems? Now people love the most when you come up with a solution. And you just don't give them the solution in your words. You are with them as a person who is holding hand and saying like, don't worry, I'm there with you, I'm going to give you support, I'm going to do this, let's think of like what solution we can have. Then and there people are going to respect you, because every person who gives solutions, suppose you're in a company and you get solutions to any problem, don't you think the company peers and teammates are going to respect you, love you? Yes. So be the person who is going to become a problem solver. Next we have selfless giver. Now when you talk about selfless giver, always tend to give. हमेशा देना सीखें. As you all know, there is a power at universe is constantly looking us. All our deeds, all our actions, everything he is observing. So if you are just giving, so you don't even think like what expression he will have for you. He'll have a smile, and then he will start giving you. And this giving is nothing but all the things that you are looking forward. And definitely leadership, the people tend to, when you give them, they feel good about you. Right? So you are getting the next level of leadership, guys. Isn't that wow? Yes. So now, but whenever you're giving, guys, as be assured what are you giving. See, don't be a fool to give anything and everything so that अगर एक बच्चा कोई चोरी कर रहा है आप उसको मदद कर रहे हैं बोले मैं तो उसको मदद दे रहा हूँ. No, this is not done. So I'm pretty sure you are that mature that you know it, like what is wrong, what is right. But if it is right, don't come back. Be a selfless giver. Just give, and you'll see the universe will throw a lot of energy towards you. Right? Next we have taking feedback positively. Now, कभी ऐसा हुआ है आप लोगों के साथ? Many people come to you and formally or informally, consciously, subconsciously, they give some feedbacks to you. हो सकता है अच्छा, हो सकता है बुरा. They tend to tell you, मुझे ऐसा आपने ये बोला था, आपने ऐसा कहा था, आपने ऐसा किया था, मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. So guys, however it is, take all the feedbacks positively. You know what happens when you take these feedbacks positively? First of all, one, you're going to change yourself, right? So if somebody has noted this feedback to me, I should change it, right? Other way, the second thing what happens, the person who told you, when you say like, "Arey, it's a good point, I'll take care of this," and without explanation, no arguments, nothing, take it in a very positive way. And guys, I'll tell you, before 3 years, when this same thing used to happen with me, I used to be very judgmental. Like, why is the person telling me all this? Why is he talking about me? These were things. But when my mentor guided, when he said, this things has to be changed. You have to take the things very positively. And see what? Now I have a team, and the best part is we love each other, we appreciate each other, and whatever points we have, we take it very positively. So it's all about mindset. The next point is, guys, compassion. Have you ever done this? Have you been compassionate to your teammates, your peers, your friends, your juniors? How do you become that? अरे जाके बैठिए उनके साथ, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, पूछिए कैसे हैं वो, क्या चल रहा है उनके लाइफ में, एंड थोड़ा कम बोलने का कोशिश आप कीजिए, एंड लिसन टू द अदर पर्सन टू द ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. So that what will happen? Then let them tell whatever they have. With this, a good leader listen first, then he speaks. अब जितना उनके बारे में सुनेंगे ना, they get drained out. So that ultimately, when we have a problem, we share it with someone, the problem becomes half. This somewhat, and the person who is sharing it, he tends to have a trust factor on the other person. Don't you want to be the one? आपसे बात करके मुझे अच्छा लगा. Yes. So for that, be compassionate, listen to the other person, and just grow this quality. You will be the number one leader, guys. The next, coolness and calmness. Guys, have you ever freaked in the office? कभी आपने पेपर फेंका है, चिल्लाया है किसी पे? Have you been abusive? Then note my words, you can never be a good leader. It happens. See, every work has got different scenarios. Everything is having ups and downs. So need not worry, need not be hyper. Even if the matter is something like you need to be angry, you are getting angered, then just don't show it, guys. There, everything has got a possible proper channel so that we can discuss. We can jot down what were the points. Why didn't this happen? Instead of just screaming, exaggerating your anger, using abusive words, this is not going to work, and neither people are going to love you. So very cool, calm, and just have you guys. I'll just get one example, guys. How about Mahendra Singh Dhoni? How have you seen him? Things always go towards him at his step. No, ऐसा भी बहुत बार होता है कि he doesn't do it well, he gets out, or his teammates are not doing well. So have you ever seen him exaggerating and showing his anger? No. Maybe that is the reason why most of the people admire, love, respect Dhoni. Just think once. See, I'm here just for one thing, that is your improvement. As my mentor said me, my Dev sir said me, the one who cares for others, shares good things to others, he is the one who is growing. So I have decided that I'll be sharing all my things, all my inputs, all my deepest secrets that made me successful, and definitely with these points you would be successful. So just don't keep it with yourself. Get down, share these 7 points with your friends, fellow friends, everybody, so that when they transform, somewhere they have respect for you. Yeah, thank you yaar, तुमने ये video मुझे दिया था, so things have changed, right? So just do it, and the only objective of mine, my guru, is transforming billions of life towards the best. So with this, thank you so much, and if you did like this video, just put a like, and as I said if you like it, get me a wow in the chat box, and just share it with your friends so that you can spread awareness, love, compassion, and the best part guys, enhance the way of living. Thank you.